Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HyperX Alloy Origin Score. Some keys are not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to remove the keycaps using the keycap puller. Now you just have to check for any kind of dust or debris around the switches. You can use the compressed air or a soft brush in order to clean the area inside. Even small particles can block the key presses. Now you need to plug the keyboard back in and test the keys. If they start working, it is well and good. The issue was caused by dirt and debris, but if the issue persists even after cleaning it, you can just simply reset your keyboard. For that, you just have to press the FN plus escape key together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now, after doing so, this is going to reset your keyboard settings and it can fix the input related issues. Now, after doing the reset, you can also reconnect the keyboard and try a different USB port. If needed, you can also restart your PC, and this helps fixing the temporary detection related problems. If even after the restart and even after all of the fixes, it still doesn't respond, the switches may be faulty. Since the keyboard is not hot swappable, fixing it requires desoldering and replacing the switches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.